We're up to I think this is the second winds now. I don't know whether it's going to cancel its spin or not, but I'm keeping an eye on it because it's coming up to its final winds now after this. There's only 13 minutes left. There we go. Here we go again. Still not liking it, is it? We're on to the third spin now, and it's keeping on journeying, and usually it stops. I think it's causing a bit of a malfunction here. Is it going to malfunction, do you reckon? It's already starting to do a bit dodgy. It's not spun on this quick wash, and it's on its third intermediate spin when it's not spun at all. This is like probably the third cancelled spin, no doubt. Usually when I'm filming, it usually stops by the 8th minute of filming. This is the first time that this washer's cancelled its third spin. I've never seen it cancel so many spins. So I think this one might be cancelled. Yep. I think this might be the final wins now. So this is the third cancelled intermediate spin. It's never done third. This has never happened before to cancel its third spin. Usually it does go for it after its like second one, but it's not done. I wonder what's going to happen on the next one because it's its final spin. Stay tuned and find out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'd much appreciate it. And I'll see you in the next video, which will be the spin cycle final spin.